There are three types of transmission for the C and E series. The CYZ420 uses a 7-speed manual transmission. The EXR420 uses a 7-speed manual transmission or a 16-speed automated manual transmission. And the EXZ460 uses a 16-speed manual transmission or a 16-speed automated manual transmission. This is a 7-speed manual transmission. You are advised to use the first gear when starting the operation. Press the clutch pedal fully and then engage to first gear. Release the parking brake lever, release the clutch pedal slowly, then move the foot to the side of the clutch pedal and press the accelerator pedal gently. The second gear can be used for a start if there is no load and on flat road. You are not allowed to start driving your vehicle with third gear and above. For the next gear change, be sure to depress the clutch pedal fully and enter the next gear accordingly. Release the clutch pedal gently, then move the foot to the side of the clutch pedal and press the accelerator pedal gently. Use the right range of RPM when shifting gears. Check that the temperature meter level is in a safe range when driving. Use the exhaust brake when going downhill, before stopping and in winding roads. This is a 16-speed manual transmission. This transmission comes with splitter switch that can be engaged to high split and low split, and there is also high-low gear selection. The neutral gear is between 3rd and 4th and 5th and 6th. You are advised to use the second gear high split when starting the operation. To engage the second gear high split, press the clutch pedal fully, engage the splitter switch to high position. To engage the second gear high split, release the parking brake lever, release the clutch pedal slowly, then move the foot to the side of the clutch pedal and press the accelerator pedal gently. To engage to third gear low split, you may stand by the splitter switch to low split position and then depress the clutch pedal fully when ready and engage the gear to third gear low split. Continue by releasing the clutch pedal gently, followed by gentle acceleration. You may then shift the gear to third gear high split by switching the splitter switch to high split position, followed by depressing and releasing the clutch pedal gently. Range change from low to high will require a 3-step movement. Example, if you are on the 4th gear high split position and want to change the gear to 5th gear low split position, you require to first stand by the splitter position to low split, followed by depressing the clutch pedal, then push the gear lever to neutral position between 3rd gear and 4th gear, followed by slapping the gear lever to high range neutral position, which is between 5th gear and 6th gear, and finally pushing the lever up to the 5th gear low split position. Continue by releasing the clutch pedal gently, followed by gentle acceleration. For the next gear change, be sure to depress the clutch pedal fully and enter the next gear accordingly. Release the clutch pedal gently, then move the foot to the side of the clutch pedal and accelerate gently. Use the right range of RPM when shifting gears. Do not move the gear shift lever from the high range to the low range at vehicle speeds of 25 km or more. The inhibitor system does not allow this to happen. This is to prevent the transmission to damage prematurely. Next, frequently check the temperature meter gauge is at safety level at all times when driving. This is a 16-speed automated manual transmission. To drive the vehicle in auto mode, Firstly, depress the brakes, press the auto shift button down on the gear lever and shift the gear lever to D position by pushing the lever to the right from N position. Release the parking brakes, release your foot from the service brake pedal and accelerate gently. By default, using D mode, the vehicle will be starting with 4th gear when coupled with a trailer and 9th gear when uncoupled. You could also use the manual mode feature when required by using the plus and minus feature. To reverse, simply push the gear lever down and push the lever forward to R position to reverse the vehicle. The clutch pedal that is available in the automated manual transmission enables a driver to maneuver the vehicle precisely at slow speeds, especially in narrow and congested areas. Skip mode. The skip shift switch activates or deactivates the skip shift function. Skip off. In this mode, the transmission will only change by 1 gear at a time. Skip on. Shifts up to the 16th gear will take place 2 gears at a time. This is only applicable for manual mode. The skip shift switch is also used for activating or deactivating the reverse low or reverse high gear in the R range. This is only applicable for manual mode. The skip shift mode will always be off immediately after the starter switch is turned to the on position. It is recommended that you use the skip mode on position only when uncoupled with the trailer. This switch disables the S-Glide function. Smart Glide is a function that shifts the gear into neutral to allow the vehicle to coast using its own momentum once a certain set of conditions has been met, in turn preventing fuel from being unnecessarily consumed. When driving on sharp inclines or other road conditions not suitable for coasting, turn on the switch to disable this function. Pressing the switch deactivates the Smart Glide function and turns off the S-Glide. Indication will appear on the MID. Pressing the switch again displays the S-Glide indication and the Smart Glide function becomes operable. The indication comes on in green when the Smart Glide is operating. On uncoupled semi-tractors, the Smart Glide function will not operate even if the Smart Glide off is on off position. We hope this video will give you some information on how to operate a heavy-duty and prime mover Isuzu vehicles. Thank you from all of us at Isuzu Malaysia, Sdn Bhd.